Yo, what is up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to make a basketball net, and this is part 2 of our original series, so let's get to the video. Alright guys, so for this project you need a cardboard from a pizza box, so brown cardboard I have right here. You'll need the sides of a pizza box, 2 of them. You'll need two different colors of tape, an X-Acto knife, a pair of scissors, Sharpie, and yarn. Alright guys, for step 1 you're going to measure and cut the cardboard with an X-Acto knife. So we have the cardboard right here. So the measurements are 60 by 55 centimeters. We can trim this afterwards. And then for the side portion or the rim, it's 55 by 3 centimeters. So guys, for our next step, we're going to assemble the rim using a hot glue gun. So right now we have two different rims, so this will help to make the rim durable. So we're going to make a zigzag pattern with the glue gun and a bit of straight lines so it's balanced. Alright, so we have it right here, the zigzag patterns, and now what we're going to do is put one of the rims on top of the other, and we're just going to stick it in place, and that way it'll stay firm together. Alright guys, so we have the 2 rims, and now for step 3 we're going to bend the rim into a circular shape. So basically you're going to start off by taking a small portion and bending it inwards. As you can see, I'm doing it right here, and you're just going to keep doing that. So guys, for step 4 I have my backboard and my rim. My rim is orange and my backboard is white. So we're basically just going to bend the rim inwards and we're going to glue it together. So this is how it should be laid out. Alright, so we have it laid out officially. And now as you can see, I added side supports, so this way the rim stays firm. And now make sure to clean up the sides better. I'll do that a bit later. So now for the next step, we're going to take the tape. We're going to make a rectangular box. So we have a rectangular box right here. And as you can see, it looks really nice. So now for our next step, we're going to need yarn. So the yarn is good for the net, and we're just going to add that. So guys, you're probably wondering, what's the point of yarn? So this usually amplifies the effect of the ball going into the hoop. So this makes it look much better. So this is optional, it's up to you. So if you want to follow along with me, we're basically going to take some yarn and we're going to lay it across the rim. So like around the start of the rim to the end. Just leave a bit of extra, like so, and cut it off. And we're just going to fix that a bit, and that should be good. Alright, so now that we have the measurements, so now we're going to need 2 objects to hold up the string. So this is very helpful in making the mesh. So right now I have my lamp and my water bottle. So as you can see, it's tightened, and this way the pattern stays consistent throughout the mesh. So guys, as you can see, I've started with my mesh. So I have my first string down. So now I'm going to show you how to do it. So basically, you're going to lie your piece of string on your desk. You're going to make a loop formation. Make sure both sides are equal. Now you're going to put it on the string. Once you've done that, lay it out just like this, and now hold two of the strings, hold the loop at the same time, and as you can see, I'm doing this one-handed. Now move the 2 strings back and fasten your knot, and there. And now we're just going to keep doing that for the rest of the strings. I personally have 6 of I'm thinking of 6 of them. So we're going to do 6 of them. So guys, now that we have the 6 strings of the net, so the base parts right here, as you can see there's small knots. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the inner strings and we're just going to do the same concept, which is roll the string into your finger and then just tie it up. So we're just going to do that real quick. And there we have it. So guys, now that what we're going to do is make the starting 5 of the triangles. So we have that right here. Alright, so now we're going to start making the inner triangles. So I'm going to start on this corner, and I'm just going to lay it out like this and fasten a knot. So it's the same concept. Make sure to keep your strings the same size. It's much easier. Right here I had a bit of a uneven length of strings, so it was a bit difficult. And we have the knot right here. Should look much neater than that. And we're just going to do that for the rest of the sequence. Alright guys, as you can see, I have the basketball mesh right here. So I have 2 to 3 rows, so try to make more. Right now I'm trying to keep the video as short as possible, so I'm just going to finish up on the rows. So guys, I chose to change up the mesh because it just didn't look nice together with the orange rim. I wanted to make it like traditional NBA style. So I have the mesh right here. You can either, so as you can see, I glued it inside or taped it. So right now I have it taped inside. In my last basketball net, I glued it. It's all up to you which one you'd like. So this helps to keep the mesh in place when you're shooting the basketball. Alright guys, there you have it. There is your basketball net with a very nice looking mesh. So this is an upgrade from part 1. Be sure to check part 1 down below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and as always, peace out.